violence. A Human Rights Watch report indicates that hundreds of women and girls were raped during the 2007-2008 post-election violence here in Kenya. They are now struggling with devastating physical and psychological health conditions, poverty and social exclusions. Zinzi Kibiku now reports.
The 104-page report by Human Rights Watch called "I Just Sit and Wait to Die" was made public Monday. The report is based on interviews of 163 women and girls, 9 male survivors and witnesses of rape and other witnesses of rape and sexual violence in the post-election period.
We're talking about the lives of individuals that were shattered between December 2007 and January 2008. And since that time, the men and women whose stories are narrated in this report have been unable to move on with their lives.
This is not the first time human rights groups have spoken out. Back in February 2013, a petition was filed to the Constitutional and Human Rights Division of the High Court, and in March 2015, President Uhuru Kenyatta ordered that 10 billion Kenyan shillings be used to seek justice for victims.
The State of the Nation address of the President indicates that on the eve of his speech, he had received a report from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions indicating that out of 6,000 files, the DPP Multi-Agency Task Force had reviewed over 4,000 files, and the conclusion was that it was not going to be possible to prosecute PEV-related offenses due to lack of evidence.
The post-election violence left 1,333 people dead, 600,000 displaced, and 900 cases of sexual violence. The Kenyan government has provided legal compensation to the people who were displaced and lost property. Survivors of rape and other sexual violence have largely been excluded, and little has been done to address their specific medical needs.
And so you discover the next month that you're pregnant. So what do? You're definitely not going to have this baby. You're definitely not going to carry a gangster's baby. You're definitely not going to carry a Kikuyu baby. You're definitely not going to carry a Kikuyu, a Luo or a Kalenjin baby. At least not the way the baby has been conceived. So you think of the options, and your options are that you will have an abortion. But since abortion is illegal in Kenya, you'll go to a backstreet doctor and attempt actually to have an abortion.
Even with that detailed report, many will ask, why can Kenya put this in the past and move forward? When women go to register their babies born out of rape, they are chased away due to lack of a father's name. Both men and boys who are forcibly circumcised and castrated during the post-election violence are looked down upon society. So, how will Kenya heal and move forward if matters such as sexual violence aren't properly looked into? Zinzi Kibiku, KTN News.